I'm going to show you exactly how to upload files and folders in GitHub from your browser. Open your browser, go to github.com and sign in. Once you land on the dashboard, click the repository where you want the files. If you don't have one yet, click New Repository. Type a name like Demo Upload. Add a short description if you want. Choose Public or Private, then click Create Repository. GitHub drops you on the new repository's main page. Look for the Add File button just above the file list. Click it and choose Upload Files. The upload page opens with a big drag and drop area. Click Choose Your Files to open your computer's file browser. Hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac to select multiple files at once. I'll pick index.html, style.css, and app.js. Click Open. GitHub lists those files in the upload area. To bring in a whole folder, drag it from your file explorer straight into that same upload area. I'm dropping in the Assets folder. Most desktop browsers handle directory upload. If your browser ignores the dropped folder, click Choose Your Files and select every file inside manually. GitHub processes every file inside it and keeps the folder paths. Empty folders won't show up because Git tracks files, not empty directories. Scroll through the list and confirm the file names are right. This is where I look for .env files or anything with API keys. If one of those gets committed, deleting it later doesn't remove it from history, so strip it out now. Scroll down to the commit section. In the commit message field, replace the default text with Upload Initial Project Files. Leave commit directly to the current branch selected if you're working alone. For a team repository, create a new branch instead so someone can review the change. Then click Commit Changes. The upload processes and you come back to the repository. The new files are listed right there. Click index.html. GitHub displays the contents with syntax highlighting so you can confirm the correct file went up. Go back and open the Assets folder and you'll see the files inside it. GitHub doesn't have a Create Folder button. To create a folder, click Add File and choose Create New File. In the file name field, type images/readme.md. That creates the Images folder and places a README file inside it. Type a short note in the editor, scroll down and click Commit Changes. Back on the repository page, the Images folder is listed. Now upload an image into that folder. Click Add File, then click Upload Files. Choose logo.png and hero.jpg from your computer. In the commit message, type Add Image Assets. Click Commit Changes. Open the Images folder and both files are inside. If you're storing website files, I keep index.html at the root and use folders like CSS, JS, and images. That way the repo reads like a real project. Select a project spec.pdf the same way and it uploads just like code. Keep it to files that belong with the project. GitHub is not a backup drive. Click the repository name at the top, then click the commits link above the file list. Your latest commit is at the top. Click it and you can see exactly which files were added. Return to the main repository page and compare the folder list against what you expected. If something is missing, upload it now as a separate file. To update a file, open it and click the pencil icon in the upper right. Make a change in the editor, update the commit message to something like updatestyle.css, and click Commit Changes. The file is replaced. To remove one, open the file and click the trash icon. Type a commit message like delete outdated spec.pdf, then click Commit Changes. GitHub records the deletion in the same history. Now add a README. Click Add File and choose Create New File. In the file name field, type readme.md. Put a short description, setup instructions, and list the main folders. Commit that, and the README displays automatically at the bottom of the repository page. If a file is too large, GitHub will show an error right in the upload area before the commit completes. For big binary files, set up Git LFS instead of forcing them through the browser. One thing I'd turn on after the first upload is secret scanning. Click Settings, then click Code Security and Analysis. Enable push protection. If you ever do push a key, revoke that credential immediately because removing the file from the repository is not enough. If you need to upload a lot of files on a regular basis, don't use the browser. Click the green code button and copy the repository URL. Use that with Git on your computer because it handles large projects and folder structures better than the web uploader. And if you need to rename a file after it's uploaded, open it, click the pencil icon, change the name in the file name field, and commit. If this got your files onto GitHub, leave a like, subscribe for more GitHub walkthroughs, and comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.